Okay, you open it. You can open it there. Rip it open. Photo, not here. Okay. Wow. Good job, Fatima. Excellent.
गिफ्ट फातिमा का गिफ्ट है ना?
You take off all that? You need some help?
Yeah.
Sure, Daddy will help you. Here, let me turn it upside down for you. There we go. We turn it like this. Let's open it up. There we go, sweetie. Open it up. Wow! There's a handle on top. Look at that. That is so pretty. Let's get it out of the box for you. Wow! Look at that, Fatima.
Wow.
Sure. Let's get it up. Look, you have interactive activity desk. You have a chalkboard.
Wow.
You have an art station, you artist. And you have a
writing
writing pad. Good for you, Fatima. It's your first desk. You're gonna do all your schoolwork on here now. You can draw some pictures. And you can do all the fun stuff you used to do in your coloring book. Oh, we have another piece of tape here? Yes, we do. Here's the scissors. Let's cut this one piece of tape here, sweetheart. Get this off of here. There we go. We got it. Now you can open it. Oh, there's more tape? Okay, we got one piece of tape here too. And one on this side. Okay, hold on. Wow. Now we have to dump everything else that I didn't make it. Alright. Gonna dump it out for you?
Wow, Fatima. Nice gift.
Look at that. It even comes with some paper for you to write. Look at that here. That's for you. A little bit smaller than I expected. Alright, we don't need that. Don't need this. Looks like it's very easy to assemble too, Fatima. Where's your chair though? Well, this is your chair.
फातिमा क्यों नजर आ गया?
Okay, first let's put your table together. Are these all the same length? Nope. So that means this is for your chair. This is for your chair. So, I have a feeling like this goes like this. And then this goes like this. Then we have these two. And no screws or anything. So that's a good thing. It's an easy setup. Okay, Fatima, this goes on top of your desk. And Daddy will show you how to work it in a minute. This goes like this, and it sticks in here like this. Just push it down more. Okay, that's as far as it goes. There we go. And this could be tightened somehow. Okay, let's get back up here for a minute. And now we have this stuff for you as well, Fatima. Oh, I see. Your artboard comes up from here somehow. Oh, that's backwards. Daddy put it backwards? Why is it backwards? I wonder why that's backwards. Because
Yeah.
it goes like this. No, it's not backwards anymore. There we go. I'm backwards. Okay, and now to use it, you can go like this, and there's your chalkboard. But it doesn't come with chalk, so Daddy will get you some chalk. So, the negatives, no chalk, is included. The positives is that we have a chair. It's for you to sit down on, Fatima. Here, I hook it up for you. There you go. Here you go, sweetie. Sit down on top of that. There you go. That's your chair. And then Daddy put batteries for you inside here. It's gonna take some batteries. Where do the batteries go? Okay, not inside there. But this is gonna all make a noise when we use it. Oh, here's the batteries back here. See in the back here? Got some batteries. So we'll get a screwdriver and some batteries and I'll be right back. And in the meantime, can you open this? Okay, you open up your stuff there. And Daddy will be right back with some batteries. But it takes a flathead too if you want to. So we open this up here. I think I'm gonna actually use a flathead. Oh, okay, we need double A's, 4 of them. Do we have 4 double A's? And the old ones? No. And you push it from the side. There you go.
Oh,
One more.
sipalis.
Good girl. Now push it in for you. Thank you. And then I give you one more. Here we go. Excellent job. I push it in for you. Here's another one. Last one. Excellent job. Now I push it in for you. Okay. See? My Phillips is too big. The flathead is much better. There we go. And I can get it tighter. There. And now, there's the on button. Press this button.
X is for X-ray.
Good girl. You press
W
W.
says Q says qua.
Qua.
L says ooh.
Ooh. Okay, I'll put this here. Now it's all set for you.
W
You have your chair.
says w.
There you go, honey. And look, you get a pen, and you can write here. If you want to. You copy this, what it says. I.
H.
H. What's this for? Oh, that's a music box.
S is for
Oh,
song.
this is you put a picture. I think picture things with you. Watch this phone you have. You have a
J.
phone.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You have a phone.
This is the letter N. This is the letter T.
And Fatima. These are for
This
cleaning up.
is the letter M.
Oh, Fatima, look. You could put this
is
here.
the letter N.
There you go.
Music jammer.
Music jammer. Now you can
Touch
play
and
stuff.
drum.
Drum. Very good, Fatima.
Maracas.
Morocco's. Oh, piano. You have a piano. Hey, look, you can play trumpet too and guitar.
Guitar. Cymbals.
Cymbals. Okay, here. We'll give you some fruit now. There you go.
Fruits and colors.
¿Qué se pasa there? Human body.
Touch
Wow.
and learn. Let's learn the mango. is yellow.
Mango.
The banana
Ban-
is yellow.
Banana is yellow.
The avocado is green.
Avocado. What's on the other side? Oh, wow. And look at this, Fatima. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes.
Human body.
Look. Where's head?
Touch
Head?
and learn. Touch a picture to learn.
That's his neck. Press it. Shoulder. There's shoulder. Look. Head.
Knee.
Knee.
K.
That's shoulder.
N, E.
Shoulder.
Nice है ना? लर्निंग
S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R.
Matthew.
Shoulder.
Signal.
Toes. T-O-E-S.
Sides.
Toes. We have 10 toes on our feet. Toes. Chest.
If you turn it
Touch
around,
and learn.
you stick
Let's
this in
learn
here.
the alphabet.
Stick it in here like this. There we go.
Music jammer. Touch and
The
learn.
pen goes here.
Let's learn about music.
Nope. Oh, the pen goes at the bottom. Can you get it out? Pull on the string.
Searching fun. Where is the guitar? Guitar.
Wow.
You found it. Let's look.
बस लाइट वेट है इसलिए हर जगह कैरी कर
Which
सकेंगे.
instrument
Yeah, what
makes
is it?
this sound?